This is 1956 DeSoto Fireflite Convertible. Beautiful here under the hood. Car has a 330 cubic inch hemi engine with 255 horsepower with the Fireflite. Fire Dome has slightly less horsepower at 230. Beautiful condition. Green with white two-toning, a white top, full wheel covers, and white walls. This is the first year for a 12-volt ignition system for Chrysler Corporation. Beautiful interior here. And of course the exaggerated fins. You notice the condition of that upholstery, absolutely perfect. Very colorful. And notice the power windows. Clock there on top of the dash. There's the two-tone dashboard and the push-button Powerflite. Very nice white top. This is the first year for push buttons for Chrysler products for the Powerflite transmission. The trunk lid is open, so we have a view of the very large trunk area. Notice the gas filler tube there. This is the first year for the Adventurer too, which had a slightly bigger engine. And this convertible, Fireflite Convertible, was a pacecar for the Indy 500 race this year. So it's very much in the spotlight. And notice that cool wraparound vinyl window in the back of the convertible, and the owner told me this is the only year that they did that. That's neat. There's no blind spot. This is one beautiful car. And it's got a Hemi.